If you are still broke as a website designer, then come close, because in this video I'll be teaching you just how you can make money by just the knowledge of HTML and CSS. So stick to the end of this video. By the end of this video, I'll be showing you 5 ways by which you can make money using just your knowledge of HTML and CSS. So the first way, without wasting much of your time, is by freelancing. So freelancing means that you are getting jobs online and you are working for clients online. So how do you get jobs online? It's through freelancing. Freelancing platforms actually offer you that service to work online, to get clients online. So the first platform that can give you that privilege is Fiverr. Fiverr is an online freelancing platform that allows you to set up your gig and allows your buyer to message you. So when you go to Fiverr, just type Fiverr on your Google and to give you the right website. So register and set up your gig. So your gig is what you offer. For example, as you deal with website design, just create a gig on website design to set up your price, your description. Then when your buyer sees your gig and is interested in you, he will message you. Then you guys can actually come into an agreement and you can now start working for him. And one beautiful thing about Fiverr is that they pay in dollars. So you can be earning at least $10,000 every month or more. So depending on how good you are, how professional you are. So one advice I can give to you is that you have to work very smart. You have to be professional. Work very well and make sure you know your work. Learn everything you can about HTML and CSS so that when you are given a particular job, you don't do the wrong thing. So Fiverr is a very good platform that can help you to make money even with your knowledge of HTML and CSS. Another freelancing platform is Upwork, Upwork. So it's just like Fiverr also, but you set up your price, register with them, set up your price and your description. So a buyer that needs your service will also message you. Then he will pay you also since you have set up your price. So for example, your price is $5,000 or $3,000. Yes. So when they see that, you have to set up your portfolio. Your portfolio are the things you have already done. So for example, the work you've done for people or you've designed before, you can put it in your portfolio. So when they check your portfolio, they can see that, okay, this person is actually good. So you have to set up your portfolio very, very well, because that's what your buyers will see. So that's Upwork. Then another one is Freelancer. The same thing like Fiverr and Upwork. So register and set up your gig. So Fiverr, Upwork and Freelancer, they offer freelancing services, or they give you the platform to actually render your freelancing services. It can be website design, it can be graphics design, it can be video editing, it can be video animation, just name it. It's just the right platform for you. If you know you do not want to work from 9 to 5, then this is for you. So stick to the end of this video, because by the end of this video, I will show you 5 ways that can make you good amount of money by just your knowledge of HTML and CSS. So I mentioned freelancing using Upwork, Fiverr and Freelancer. Then number 2 is actually selling website templates. So you can get website templates or you can create them using just your knowledge of HTML and CSS. You can design HTML and CSS templates and sell on TeamForest and other websites. And you can sell and be making good amount of money. You can be making like $10,000, $15,000, $5,000. It all depends on how good you are and how you're able to market yourself very well. So after freelancing, number 1, number 2, you can design and sell website templates. Now, what are templates? Templates are already made designs of websites. So imagine as a website designer, a lot of website designers do not want to even start from the beginning. They want already made templates. So you can be the go-to place for that. So you can render those services for them. and they'll pay you. So number 3 is that you can message or you can meet small businesses. You can meet small businesses and create website for them. Imagine small businesses that they don't have their business online. You can give them the advantages of having a website and how a website can actually build their brand or can actually make them have more sales. Imagine you have a business and everybody in the world can actually access your business online. Pitch to those small businesses that there are a lot of advantages to make their business online. And when you are able to convince them that you're actually good at what you do, then you guys can come into an agreement and they will pay you. So you design websites for companies, for businesses, and the rest. Another way that you can use to make money with just some knowledge of HTML and CSS is by teaching it. Yes, since you have the knowledge already, you can turn that your knowledge into money, into income. You can organize classes, for example, WhatsApp classes, Telegram classes, and teach HTML and CSS, and you'll get paid for that. So you can set your own price. For example, you can set up that your price is $500, $200, $1,000. Just depends on how you want it and how good you are also. So you also have to be good to be able to teach it. So you can teach it to other people and you'll be paid. Organize classes. Then another way is to create courses on Udemy and other platforms that allows you to create courses. So if you check this video description, I will leave some links. I'll leave some links to Fiverr, Udemy, and other platforms that I've just mentioned. Then another way that you can use to teach this is by creating a YouTube channel, just as I have created. Create a YouTube channel and teach HTML and CSS. Then you can also create some free ones. Like this is a free video, right? So you can also create premium courses. For example, after creating some free videos or some free courses, you can also create some premium. That means for them to access those premium contents, they have to pay. And you can set your price as you wish. You can put it that your cost is $1,000, $500, $10,000, whichever way, depending on how valuable that content is. So if you create a content and you are paid for it, imagine how much you can be paid. And you know YouTube is actually a big platform that have a very large search engine. So a lot of people can see what you post. So you creating a premium content can actually make you very rich overnight or over a long period of time, depending on how you also do it. So I've mentioned freelancing. I've mentioned you can create template and sell it. I've said you can actually you can create websites for small businesses. And I've also said you can teach HTML and CSS online. You don't have to have a physical shop. You can teach it on your WhatsApp, on your Telegram. You can create a YouTube channel. You can also upload your contents on Udemy and other platforms that allows you to upload your courses and you get paid. Then the last one, which is number 5, is that, but before this, if you know you like this video, please like, subscribe, and also leave a comment in any area you have been making money with your knowledge of HTML and CSS. And if you have not been making money with your knowledge of HTML and CSS, comment below and you will get expert advice from others and also from me. I'll give you ways that actually helps me. So these are the things that have actually helped me to make money with my knowledge of HTML, CSS. So if you only know HTML and CSS, it is not bad. So those that have knowledge of HTML, CSS, you can make money from it. You understand? And then you can also learn more. You can also learn JavaScript. Then from there, you can go into the back end. So it's step by step. So there's no excuse for not making money. With just the little knowledge you have, you can make money. Subscribe to my channel and also leave a comment. Turn on your notification bell so that whenever I upload a video, you will see it. Then the fifth one is to get remote jobs from online platforms like LinkedIn. So you can look for companies online, now on LinkedIn, message them. Remote jobs mean that you can work from your home. You don't have to be at the workplace or at the company. So getting jobs online like LinkedIn, remote jobs to work as a website designer with just your knowledge of HTML and CSS. So like I said, it's always room for improvement. You can also learn other languages as you move on. So LinkedIn is a very good place where you can get remote jobs. So like I said, 5 tips, and I've mentioned 5 ways that you can use to get money with just the knowledge of HTML and CSS. If you know you love this video, leave a like, a comment, and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.